the first thing that you do is take attendance. You know you're in attendance mode because the ribbon at the bottom is light blue. Everyone is assumed to be here. Just tap on those who aren't. Their picture will fade and you'll get a little A to indicate that they're absent. If a student walks in late while you're taking attendance, tap again and they'll be marked late. If you tap a third time, they're back to being marked present. So simple and intuitive. When you're done, tap End Attendance. Now you have the choice to check homework, go to the session screen, or continue taking attendance.